In today's video, we're going to talk a little bit about NASDAQ futures, the September contract, and like how you keep the edge. And opinions by themselves are not extremely helpful. If somebody tells you that they're bullish the market, where are you supposed to buy it? Right where it is, and then assume it's going to go up, or have some specific levels or decisions to look at, like this, where you wait for a trigger that tells you that it's worth a trade, and you know that you can place a stop right underneath this zone, right? Also, you might be bullish against this zone, but there was another trade potential in today's session, and it came from also running the resistance. Now, typically, I'm always going to run both sides of the market because you always want to know what the next decision is. And let's see, if we took the major high to low and ran the retracements and extensions, it showed you what the potential was from this low, which would be the 1272 extension. But it also shows you one of the hurdles on the way up, which was this 74.33 area, which overlapped another very important level. Okay, and that came from taking this prior rally swing and projecting it from this low. And let's say you take that low to that high, project from the low, and it just happened to overlap the other price relationship, or the 618. So we knew that if this rally was going to continue, that it needed to clear that 74.33, let's call it 35 area, to continue to rally towards this resistance. And if it didn't, that also offered you a potential short-term short. Okay, so check this out. This swing was 118 points. This swing was 118 points. And when you couldn't clear it, there were two things to do. Number one, ratchet up your stops on longs, then you would have been stopped out. And number two, if it fits your trading plan, you'd also look at the short side. So we also did see a decline from this area of 62.5 points, which is nothing to sneeze at if you're a day trader. Anyway, these are the types of levels that I run all day long in multiple markets. And obviously, I did show this to you late, but there was still money in the trade. The one thing you have to realize is that obviously my traders are going to get it first, but then I still will show you some of these examples, and they can still be worth some money. It might be a little bit later to the party, but there's still something there. Now, as far as what we do in the middle, I just don't have a setup yet, so we're going to have to wait for tomorrow.